huge dim sum menu at Ho's Kitchen and Seafood. Finding this hidden gem is not as easy I thought it was. I took the BRT to Wat Dan station and then hopped on a motorbike to take me to Ho's Kitchen and Seafood. Yes, place is nestled near Rama 3 and Narathiwas Rajanagar Indra Road. Once you find out, you realize it is quite easy to get to, you will keep going back. Once I entered the restaurant, I was greeted with such hospitality at Ho's Kitchen and Seafood by Mr. Ferrari, yes, like the most incredible car. I was guided to a table with incredible view of the Chao Phraya River and Bang Krachao, the green lung of Bangkok. The first to arrive on the big round table was a glass of tasty chrysanthemum juice. Tea juice is available all over Thailand, it is refreshing and quenching. As we were waiting there, Mr. Ferrari and I was checking out the entire restaurant. It is definitely a restaurant you can bring an entire large family. They have set menus for dinner and for lunch for large groups of 10 and more. They also have a private dining space where you can just bring your entire family, and kids are definitely welcome here with a stunning view of the Chao Phraya River. My favorite out of all of these three was the crispy spring roll with the shrimp inside. The one on the left of this picture. It was super tasty, especially if it's dipped in chili oil or some other sauce, a little bit more sweet savory. It is the perfect dish for an appetizer. The succulent shrimp with the rice paper wrapped around had the crunch and softness in each bite. The steamed bun was soft, gushy and slightly on the sweet side, as it is filled with custard. The essence was very unique and somewhat simple. The crispy patties were very light and tasty, again not spicy at all. Steamed shrimp dumplings with abalone in a light gravy. This was a different dim sum item which I have never seen before. I was wondering what the topping was and turns out it was abalone. I have never had abalone before and the taste was bland. The gravy with it added some flavor, however I enjoyed the simplicity of the dumplings. I love the texture and the shrimp stuffed inside. This dish is perfect for those who love the dips and sauces. This is the perfect place to come and have dim sum. Here is another tasty number. These morsels all look so small and innocent, and the next thing you know, you get so full on these tiny but very fulfilling portions. The steamed fish wrapped in glass noodles are a delicious combo. Highly recommend to try this one. Those of you who have had dim sum and loved dim sum, there are more items on the menu, however we tried only a small amount because I just need to get an idea of the food taste and quality. Definitely a 5-star rating on the quality of food and service. This was my favorite end to a delicious dim sum lunch. I was offered to try another dessert which looks scarier than it is. It is a hot ginger soup with black sesame balls to eat. Check the picture gallery on followfausia.com. This is a hot dessert, unlike the cantaloupe shaved ice. I want to thank Mr. Ferrari and the staff for the excellent service provided during the lunch.